Chrysomare Beach Hotel and Resort is a premium beachfront hotel located right on the seafront, featuring 5 swimming pools, spacious rooms, and beautiful sea views. It's a great place for a relaxing holiday just minutes away from the heart of Ayia, Napa. Join us as we show you how we spend our vacation here. Guests can enjoy both relaxing by the pools and spending time on the beach. There are also water activities available nearby for those looking for something more active. Our perfect day always started with breakfast. The selection of food was impressive, with plenty of options for every taste. And honestly, there's something special about enjoying breakfast in the morning sun with a fresh glass of juice. Now let's move on to one of the most important parts of any stay, the rooms. Personally, I really liked the corner room with 2 huge panoramic windows offering incredible views of the sea. At times, it almost didn't feel real. Absolutely everything in the room is controlled electronically, and the system is intuitive and easy to use from the very first minutes of your stay. And of course, one of the biggest advantages of staying on a higher floor is the incredible view. From here, you could admire the endless sea, watch the changing colors of the sky throughout the day, and simply enjoy the atmosphere. In the evening, the balcony becomes the perfect place to slow down, relax after a busy day, and enjoy the peaceful views as the sun sets over Ayia, Napa. Every day until 6 p.m., guests can enjoy the pool bar, where a variety of refreshing drinks and cocktails are available. Under the hot Cyprus sun, it's exactly what you need to cool down and relax. Around the pools, there are different types of sunbeds depending on the room category. Guests staying in suites have access to spacious cabana-style daybeds, creating an even more comfortable and private atmosphere by the water. The main pool also features built-in hydro massage areas for the back, making it a perfect place to unwind, recharge, and enjoy some quiet time before heading to dinner. And if at some point during the day you start feeling hungry, there's also a buffet bar where you can enjoy delicious food while taking in the beautiful sea views. And to make the experience even better, the skilled bartenders prepare refreshing cocktails and are always ready to brighten the mood with a smile and even share a few jokes while mixing your drink. At lunchtime, twice a week, on Thursdays and Sundays from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., guests can enjoy live performances by different musicians, creating an even more relaxing and enjoyable holiday atmosphere. And finally, we made it to dinner. One detail that really stood out was the live cooking stations, where the staff can prepare and serve dishes right in front of you, from freshly carved fish to juicy roasted meat. Overall, dinner at this hotel feels more like a culinary showcase than a regular buffet. The dessert section looks absolutely incredible, and there's also a huge variety of salads, fresh fruit, and dishes to choose from. Our children especially love the pizza corner, where pizzas are prepared fresh on the spot and taste surprisingly good. No one is going to leave hungry here. There's truly something for every taste. Dinner is the time when every guest can treat themselves to something special. In addition to the main restaurant, the hotel also offers 2 a la carte restaurants, Greek and Italian, where the dishes are different from the regular buffet and are freshly prepared to order. Whether you prefer traditional Mediterranean flavors or classic Italian cuisine, dinner here becomes more than just another meal. It turns into part of the holiday experience. The youngest guests are also taken care of. The dinner menu offers them French fries, pasta, and sausages. For the youngest guests, there is also a separate children's pool with slides and fountains, creating the perfect place to play, have fun, and enjoy endless water adventures together with other children. For families traveling with children, the hotel also offers a kids club with an animator who keeps younger guests entertained, giving parents a chance to relax, enjoy some quiet time, or maybe even catch up on a little sleep, a luxury that becomes surprisingly valuable on vacation. The hotel also features an indoor swimming pool where you can enjoy a quieter atmosphere, get in a workout, and then continue your routine in the modern fitness center. Group classes are also available for guests. And if relaxation is your priority, the sauna and steam room can be heated upon request for an even more comfortable experience. Of course, there's the spa. If you want to dedicate a little time to yourself, you can book one of the available treatments, enjoy a relaxing massage, unwind in the relaxation room, or simply take a peaceful moment in the sauna away from the busy resort atmosphere. Finally, the beach. If you ever decide to take a break from the pools, the sea is just a few steps away. Here you can swim in crystal clear turquoise water, float on the waves, snorkel and watch the fish. Or for those looking for something more exciting, try one of the nearby water activities. Thank you so much for watching. And if you made it all the way to this moment, then you're our heroes, and it means this video was truly interesting for you. We hope our review helped you get a better feel for this hotel, and if you decide to spend your holiday here, there's a good chance you'll have a wonderful experience and create some great memories of your own. See you in the next adventures.